Think Caribbean food is always heavy, oily, and unhealthy? That's a common misconception. The truth is, Caribbean cuisine is built on bold flavors, herbs, spices, and fresh ingredients, not just fat. Whether you're eating low fat for heart health, weight management, or just to feel better, you don't have to give up the foods you love. With a few smart techniques, you can enjoy traditional Caribbean dishes without the heaviness. Here's what makes Caribbean cooking naturally adaptable to low-fat eating. Use less oil, skip deep frying, and lean into bold seasoning like garlic, thyme, hot peppers, and lime. And don't forget, vegetables are already the star in many Caribbean dishes. First, pumpkin talkari, a classic Trinidadian dish. It's soft, flavorful, and naturally low in fat, made with pumpkin, garlic, onion, and fresh herbs. Next, saltfish buljol, a fresh, protein-rich dish. With tomatoes, onions, and lime juice, it's light, vibrant, and uses very little oil. Trinidad dumplings are simple but effective. They're boiled, not fried, making them surprisingly low in fat and perfect for soups or sides. Bahamas peas and rice is a staple that's both filling and balanced. Made with pigeon peas and brown rice, it's high in fiber and uses just a small amount of oil. Fried ochro or okra sounds heavy, but it's not. It's lightly sautéed, not deep fried, giving you a slightly crisp texture without the grease. And finally, guava cheese. It's sweet and satisfying, and surprisingly fat-free, made from guava pulp and sugar. Eating healthy doesn't mean giving up your favorite Caribbean dishes. With the right techniques, you can enjoy all the flavor and culture without the heaviness. Try one of these low-fat Caribbean recipes this week and taste the difference. For the full recipes, see the links down below.